Things you should never do after eating. People typically lie down or sit easily in a chair after having dinner, however, this is a huge mistake you must never ever make. According to experts, these routines are highly harmful and can put your health at risk. 1. Never go to bed after a meal. Lying down for a nap or sleeping after a meal is the favorite thing of millions of people, but this habit is not healthy at all. When we lie down, some gastrointestinal juices from your stomach recede into the esophagus because of gravitational force. Due to its acidic nature, it can burn the inner layer of the esophagus, causing heartburn. 2. Eat your fruits before, not after a meal. Fruits are recommended by almost everyone, be it some expert dietitian, or just some inexperienced housewife. But few of them know that fruits just after any meal can be harmful, and thus neglect to mention it to you. Fruits are the easiest to digest, and just take 20 minutes to travel from your stomach to intestines, where they are finally digested, bananas and dates being the two exceptions. So when you eat a fruit after a meal, it gets stuck with the food, thus not traveling in time to the intestines, and getting spoiled as a result, thus spoiling food too. 3. Never rush to shower after a meal. Waiting 30 minutes after a meal in order to take a shower is the best suggestion one could give on this topic. Digestion needs a lot of energy and blood flow in our body. But when we take a warm water shower, blood flows towards your skin to release off the heat, thus making it difficult to digest. 4. Drinking tea. Teas are healthy, but shouldn't be consumed after a meal. Drinking tea after having a meal can interfere with the iron absorption in your body, as tea contains tannic acid, which binds to the iron and protein from our food. This can result in an 87% decrease in iron absorption and even iron deficiency, which can lead to anemia, dizziness, weakness, and fatigue. 5. Smoking is bad enough, but after a meal, it's 10 times the killer. Yep, that's right, smoking right after a meal is very bad, and if you must do it, you should wait for at least a couple of hours after the meal. Cigarette contains nicotine, a substance that binds to oxygen your body desperately needs for digestion, which makes your body absorb carcinogens. According to numerous research studies, smoking a cigarette after a meal has the same impact as smoking 10 cigarettes simultaneously, and increases your danger of bowel and lung cancer considerably too. 6. Avoid cold water after a meal. The reason is very simple. Ice water does not let the food digest properly because it causes the clumping of food. Hot warm water helps absorbs nutrients better.